So I really liked the small LG speaker that I tested out here recently, so I thought I would check out the XBOOM Go P5. I paid $89 for mine, but I'll leave a link down below with current pricing and more information. Inside the box, you get a quick start guide and USB-C to USB-A charging cable. It's hard to tell from photos, but it's a little smaller than I was expecting considering the style, but the build quality is actually really nice. It's mostly a harder plastic covering most of the speaker. Definitely a little more unique with the big handle that kind of props up the speaker at an angle. Nice touch with the XBOOM etched in the handle. Has nice and large passive radiators on the ends. The speaker definitely has some nice weight to it. You've got a metal grill on the front with a strip of silicone buttons there on the top, including power, Bluetooth, volume, lighting control, and the option of standard or sound boost. There's a cover on the back that's kind of hard to remove that covers up the charging and auxiliary ports, so that's pretty well protected. It's got up to 18 hours playback and about 4 hours to charge back up, so pretty good battery life. I also like that you can control the lights in the app or right on top of the speaker, although it doesn't seem to change as much as you would think. You can also use the LG XBOOM app for Android or iOS. I tried the custom EQ settings, but to me just using the default sound boost mode is probably the best option to use in my opinion. Here's a quick sample just to give you an idea of how it sounds.
Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Not sure if you could tell from those samples, but this speaker sounds really nice and loud. It has good clarity. To me, one area that it's kind of lacking is when it comes to bass. You can see there's not much movement from the passive radiators, especially when compared to JBL. I know some of this is personal preference, but comparing this to the Sony Alt Field 1, I think the Sony actually has better bass and it's probably just as loud. Might even be a little better as far as sound quality in my opinion. Plus, it's a little smaller. I probably prefer that or even the JBL Flip 6 over this one. So in my opinion, I would probably go with one of those, especially once they go on sale. They're pretty similar in price to this one from LG.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath.